Hey guys, and today instead of doing a blind bag, I'm going to be doing a review on Series 5 6-pack trash bags. So I never opened it yet, as you can see, and these are the ones you can collect, I'm assuming. So let's get right into this. Okay, so first one on the top, his name, there is like a sheet here. Actually, when you don't get into this, there's a sheet that you get with every package, and there is games that you can do, and then there's the names. So this little fella's name is Squashed Maggot. That's this little fella's name. Let's get him out of his little Squash Maggot. He is number 758, and he is a common. Okay, so let's put him in a little trash. So the next one I'm going to be pulling out is this one. And inside this trash bucket, I have this dude. He is stuffed pencil case, and he is a rare. And back in that one. So the next one here is this little guy. And his name is Mucus Mite, and he is a rare as well. He's another rare. So let's open another one. Inside this one, I got this little dude. Snooty Snensel. Yeah, Snooty Snensel. He is a common. And the last one here is this dude. Turd Turtle, and he is a common as well. So we got 3 commons and 2 rares. I find that's a pretty good darn haul, and they come in these little toilets. I recommend buying trash packs because I love trash packs. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Bye!